one more.
Watermelon boys.
I'm Sav and this is Lack of Eats. Today we have a very special episode. It's Chauncey's 11th birthday and Grayson's 2nd adoptiversary. So we are going to be making them frozen watermelon dog treats. These treats are super easy, they're absolutely adorable, and your dogs are going to love them. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We're going to be using a cup of chopped watermelon, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and a little bit of chopped parsley. All right, so real quick before we start making our dog treats, if you're new to our channel, you may be like, who is Grayson and Chauncey? So let me introduce them real quick. So this is Chauncey. It's his 11th birthday. He was born June 2nd, 2008, and I got him 8 weeks later. He's been my little sidekick ever since, been through everything with me. I don't know what I would do without him. So this is Grayson. He is 3.5 years old. We rescued him from Westside German Shepherd Rescue 2 years ago. He was actually a surprise from my husband for my birthday, but he'd been at the shelter for quite a while, about 8 months, and he was only 1.5 years at the time we rescued him. So he was there since he was a puppy, but they had been posting about him a lot, and every time they posted, I sent my husband the picture, like, oh, look how cute he is. So he got the hint and he took me to the rescue and we went and picked him up, and he's been the perfect addition ever since. All right, let's make our dog treats. First thing we gotta do is puree our watermelon chunks. So I've got my little food processor here. I'm just gonna dump our watermelon in there. Puree it. You wanna make sure you use a seedless watermelon, or if you want to take out all the seeds, do that. But obviously your dogs don't wanna eat those black seeds. For these treats, we're gonna be using this cute little silicone mold. They've got some paw prints and dog bones. I got this one off of Amazon. So first we'll put a little bit of parsley onto the bottom of each of the paw prints and the dog bone. Parsley is really good to freshen up your dog's breath. So if you have some bad dog breath, like we do in this house, then use a lot of parsley, it'll help. Now for the paw prints, we're going to put a thin layer of our Greek yogurt. I'm using an unsweetened plain Greek yogurt. So we'll put a little bit on the bottom and just spread it out all over. Now for the dog bones, we're going to layer a little bit of the watermelon puree. Now we have to put these in the freezer for 1 hour. Our treats have been in the freezer for an hour, so we are going to add just a small thin layer of our Greek yogurt to the dog bones. Okay, these have to go back in the freezer for 1 more hour before we can finish them. All right, we've got our final layer to do. We're gonna put the watermelon puree on the bones and the paws. So just fill up the rest of the mold up to the top with the watermelon. Now we have to put these in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Our frozen watermelon dog treats are ready, but before we taste them, I've got a little surprise for the pups. So as you can see, I'm wearing this cute watermelon scrunchie, and the dogs have actually these matching bandanas. These are from Buddy Bandana. It's a company that started in 2019 in Boston. And their mission is to raise awareness and raise money for animal rescue organizations across the country. So each month they donate a portion of their proceeds to a different animal rescue. In May, they donated to Animal Hope and Wellness in Sherman Oaks, California. So if you want to match with your pups and donate to animal rescues while you're at it, go ahead and check out Buddy Bandana. There is a link in the description below. And they were super generous and gave me an awesome discount code of 40% off. So the code is LAGAMEATS, no spaces. The code is in the description below as well. So let's put these on them. Ready? You're gonna look super cute in this, aren't you? Oh, you know it, don't you? All right. Oh, here comes the little one. You ready? Look at this. Look at this, it's so exciting. Yeah, you already got yours. It's Chauncey's turn. Okay. Hey, stop. Look, now you can match with mommy on walks. Make sure you check out Buddy Bandana. It's a fun thing for a good cause. All right, so we are finally ready to take out our frozen watermelon dog treats. Just pop these guys out. Look how cute these are. You see the little parsley on the paw prints. And you've got the 3 layers for our dog bones. They are gonna love these, and they're perfect for a summer day when they're super hot, a nice cool treat. All right, now we gotta see if they like them though. Chauncey, wanna try first? Oh, look at those. What do you think? They're kind of big for you. You wanna try one? Yeah. He's not gonna be able to eat it up here. Chauncey likes to go in the bedroom to eat his food. Grayson's turn. You want a dog bone? Let's give you a dog bone. Ready? Oh, that looks so good. Oh. Ooh, it's kind of crunchy and cold. Is it good? Oh, yeah. You want another one? Let's try another one. Ready? Oh. I think it's safe to say that they liked them. Coming back for more? Were those good? Oh, you wanna sit? I hope your dogs enjoy my frozen watermelon dog treats. If you wanna see more of my cute little pups, hit a like and subscribe below. We have new videos coming out every week, and they're always around me in the kitchen. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, doe.